Alright y'all, so in the last video I gave you guys a full day in the life from start to finish. Baby girl was actually headed to daycare in this one, y'all, and she wanted a little video time, so she actually got on the camera, and I just love Mila. She's just so cute, y'all. We did talk through a few things. We saw her off to school, and then we got into our day, y'all. Y'all, this was a really busy day of work and cooking. I actually showed you guys how I actually make my beef stew. Y'all, it was so yummy at the end of the evening. I actually did it in the crock pot, so I put it on early in the morning, and then it was actually complete by the time I finished work. For you working moms out there who need a quick and easy meal, y'all, this is actually one of my go-to meals. I love cooking in my crock pot. Also, I did something fairly new. I actually included a weekly grocery haul inside of my vlogs. I think I'm going to like doing this grocery haul thing within my vlogs, y'all. Stay tuned for those. I just like to have a bunch of content in my vlogs. I see that that attracts more people to my channel, so I will continue doing these. And then we were at the end of our night. I was really excited that I had my kitchen clean and everything before 9 o'clock, y'all, and we were ready to prepare for bed. Y'all, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this next vlog.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.
So, no complaints, nothing new, no, some new tools. Yeah, I saw one of
I think he might have lost a tooth too, but it's...
I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. Let's stay here for a lifetime underneath the moonlight, 'cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to.
Okay, y'all. All right. So we are headed to drop Jace off first. He said when I'm dropping him off at school, I'm always late. But he's never late, Jace, are you? We're like on time normally, right? Like rushing, that's what you mean? Yeah. We are always rushing, but he's always there in the nick of time, let me say that. But when his dad drops him off, he's always early, because that's just my husband. Like, he's gonna always be early for places unless he's with me, and then that's when we get to running behind. But that's neither here nor there, y'all. We are headed to drop the kids off this morning at their destinations. I was hoping to be gone a lot sooner than this, because remember, I still have to clock in. And it's a little chilly today, ain't it, Jace? Okay, we got 4 minutes. I'll take the STAR test. Is that this week or next week? Huh? Friday. Jace. Have a good day at school. Alright y'all, so right now I am just sitting here, as you can probably tell, chilling on the couch, y'all. I'm just comfy. I'm on my lunch. I just want to kind of just unwind, watch a little TV, get me a little mommy time in. I'm actually about to watch this series I started on Netflix. Not the Ozarks. I haven't started that back yet, but there's another series that I started watching, y'all. And yeah, I'm just about to kind of just gather my thoughts, kind of like just chill. Like I said, it's lunchtime. I actually took an early lunch today because I have a meeting during my regular lunch time. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill out for the next hour and not really do too much. Okay y'all, so we are all done with the Mila's hair and I am kind of rushing. We just did 3 little ponies today. There's 2, then 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 little ponies today, and then we are headed to daycare or school first. I don't know y'all, let me go. Okay y'all, it's a Starbucks type of morning. Jace actually got dropped off at school just in the nick of time. No earlier, no later. And yeah, I just decided to come by Starbucks because that is what we need at this moment. That's what I need. Amila's actually still in the car. Amila, say hi. Dunny. Guess what Amila's favorite word is? I don't know what I want. Hold on, give me a second. That'll be it.
Alrighty, just a little low from the Frappuccino?
Yes.
Alrighty, I'll have that for you at $9.09 today.
You ready, girlie?
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all. So I think my last attempt at picking up the camera was an epic fail. Tuesday, I want to say I tried to do a productive day in the life. We just had too much going on. I had too much going on. Haven't really picked up the camera much this week because, y'all, when I say I am swamped and I just want to scream, I am swamped and I just want to scream. Really busy. Jace had his performance on Tuesday night and they did really good. So proud of him. That was actually the last performance that parents would actually catch. They have one more and they're going on a field trip, which they're gonna have tons of fun. So yeah, they have one more. And y'all, we are almost to the end of the school year. When I say I am too excited about this, too excited. I told my husband, like, I feel like I'm in the 4th grade again. Like, I don't know, like, you know, I'm just that active, hands-on parent. Call me a helicopter mom, I don't know, but I feel like I've been in the 4th grade this year. So yeah, speaking of that, I forgot to go over his darn social studies test with him last night, so we're gonna have to go over it today for sure. Y'all, we've had track this week as usual. I've had work this week. Tuesday, like I said, he had his performance and we thought we were going to have track afterwards, but thankfully they canceled it on Tuesday, but we did have it last night. By the way, happy Cinco de Mayo. Today is May 5th. It is Cinco de Mayo. I should have said that first, y'all. Happy Cinco de Mayo to everyone. I am super excited because I am making like a little Cinco de Mayo taco dish thing tonight. So yeah, we're gonna do that. We got track practice today. And y'all, he has like his first track situation on Saturday. So I think it's like tryouts for something, but I don't know because he's already in track and I know he's gonna run, but I don't know what the tryouts are for. Maybe like a relay team tryout. I don't know. I have no idea, but that's happening Saturday. I'm about to sit down and edit my Sunday's video. Y'all, this week I have just been able to kind of step away from YouTube a tad bit, which I needed. I realized I needed that because, like I said, this week is so hectic, and going forward until like probably like the second or third week of August, it's gonna be like this. So yeah, this is our life, y'all, and I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys are here for the ride. Baby girl, you know, she is growing and glowing, and she's moving around more, y'all. She got to talking this week. So this week, y'all, why did so hubby was feeding her some chips or something, y'all, and baby girl, she just said more. Baby, we died laughing when we heard that. Like, girl, you ain't saying nothing else. Well, she's saying mama, daddy. Like, those are the main two. Those are like the main two words that she says. But her next word is more. Like, girl, I hate it for your boyfriend. Like, let me just say that. I hate it for her boyfriend. For her third word to be more. Like, let's just take a pause for that. Like, your third word is more. Like, my baby greedy though, y'all. She a little greedy, but I am excited, y'all, for things to come. I'm excited for everything that's about to happen this summer. I'm excited for Jace because, you know, he is growing more and he is getting into the sports really. Like, y'all, this little boy, he be talking about football, basketball. Like, he has Bleacher Report, or the reports from Bleacher Report. He has notifications being sent to his phone with reports from Bleacher Report. I couldn't get that out for nothing, but hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about. It's like a sports app or something that tells you when major stuff happen. Like, reports come into his phone, so he is really into like that sports phase now. He wants to do football this year. I'm a little scared for him to do football. I'm a little nervous. Y'all can probably hear it in my voice because my baby's so little, y'all. He's just so little, but I don't know. We'll see. I guess you can get hurt in any sport though. Like, but football is just definitely more. It's a contact sport, so I don't know. Like, right now, I don't even want to think about it. I haven't even looked into getting him signed up yet. So yeah, I think hubby's down for it. Once he gives me the go, like, I'll look into it to see what teams, if any, are available at this point, because it is about to be, well, it's May now, June. I know football season, like preseason, starts soon, don't it? I don't know, but when hubby gives me the go, if he gives me the go, then we'll look into some football stuff. But right now, we're gonna focus on track, and as y'all know, he doing basketball this summer too, so he is already booked and busy this summer, let's just say that. So yeah, y'all, I'm not really doing too much at all. Like I said, I'm on lunch. I'm about to edit my Sunday's video, so I will catch you guys later. Members, y'all, today is another weekly grocery haul. It has been a minute since I've spoke on one of these things. Normally I just throw in music now. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Do you prefer me to speak and actually walk you through my meals, or do you just want to see the actual products with music in the background? Baby girl is actually over here making a mess with her Cheetos. Jace, what she want? What was that? Oh, that's probably the toothpaste that I got from Amazon earlier because I forgot to order. Okay, y'all, so I'm actually just gonna play music on this one. We actually got company this day, and it was really loud, so I had to mute the sound. So I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of music as we get through this haul. Tiffy, do you know what this is? Is this like relay tryout?
I don't know.